today we are going to be making a delicious, moist and yummy cake. Here are the ingredients for our cake. First, we'll be mixing all our dry ingredients, that is cocoa powder, flour, baking soda and baking powder and salt. Then we mix it all together to form our dry ingredients. Next, we will mix together eggs and sugar till pale in color. The next thing to add is oil and mix. Then you add in your milk and this creates our wet ingredients. The next step is to add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients and mix till a smooth batter is formed. Lastly, pour in your hot coffee and mix to get a loose but rich batter. Don't forget to add your vanilla flavor. Pour into a well-greased pan and bake for 45 minutes or until you have a clean toothpick come out of your cake. And yes, your chocolate cake is ready. If you would like to see more of this video, hit the subscribe button and like the video. Let me know if you will be trying this recipe in the comment section. Thank you.